You're looking for a shower chair? 4-in-1, just the base, back and base, side arms and no back, raise up to a certain height, up to 500-pound capacity, made for the shower with a padded seat and backing. This chair may be something that you're looking for, a nice wide chair that fits in a standard shower and bath. What we're going to do is show you how simple it is to set up and what it's about. It's lightweight, got a nice color in a grayish fashion, nice and wide, adjustable legs, rubber feet, pins, corrosion free, made of metal and ABS plastic, and cushioned seats and padded arms. The Premium X instructions, easy to follow. Let's get started. From the providers, Premium X, they make a 4-in-1 shower chair for all ages. As we open up the package, it's all got nicely, they are boxed. Laid on top are insulation pads. They come in gray and they have knockout holes. Carefully cut open and pull out the instructions and the material. We have a hardware package with the thumb bolts, screws, and washers, and the 4 adjustable height legs with the large bottom skid-proof feet. For modern, old-fashioned style bathrooms, we have aluminum metal with insulated handles, easy to assemble by following the instruction guide step by step. Thumb bolt, washer, place on. We're grabbing a foot extension. We have a number of holes for heights from the low to the high to set up and place on correctly to the angle, and holes in the area that snap on with the pin push. Place in and snap in, and repeat for the other 3. As we rotate around, we have the side arms and the back bars. This is step 1 of the 4-in-1 stool alone. As we're going to hook the back bars up, we're going to turn the stool around. Place on the back pieces by the same spring by placing in, pushing, and locking. As we lift up and rotate around, the handle is top, rotate, place on and around the piping with the thumb bolts, 4, and screw on. Now's the time to push the pieces out, peel the backing off, and carefully align over the holes and lock down with pressure. And repeat for the back, matching the design by peeling and placing. With the 2 clips to the 2 holes, press in and slide in to snap, and repeat for the opposite side with the left and right pole or bar. Snap in. You have your 4-position stool chair. Base only, base with arms, base with backing, base with the arms and backing for 4. This is an extra wide for up to 500 pounds for your shower, bathroom, anywhere that you need to have a chair. It is strong with some movement, rubber feet to grab the floor, padded handles on the side and on the base and back. I'm going to disassemble the arms by pulling to the side releasing for a stool, and adjust the height to a low level. In the bathtub shower, your stool. Please make sure that you put the feet correctly underneath all so that it sits down there correctly and locks into place. Your shower holder. If you have a handhold shower, snap on and your holder over here. Left, right, back, front. I hope you enjoy your shower chair, a 4-in-1 shower chair, and thank you for viewing.